Imagine this, your child is 10 years old today. By the time they turn 25 in 2036, over 40% of the jobs that exist right now may no longer exist, replaced or completely transformed by AI. The scariest part? Most parents are still preparing their kids for a world that's already disappearing. If you want your child to thrive instead of struggle in the AI era, there are specific things you need to do starting now, this year. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare your child for the AI era. Here's the truth most parents don't want to hear. AI is not coming, it's already here. By 2030, the World Economic Forum predicts that 85 million jobs will be displaced, but 97 million new jobs will be created. The problem is, these new jobs will require completely different skills. The kids who will succeed are not the ones who can memorize information. They're the ones who can work with AI, think creatively, and understand humans deeply. It's time to prepare them for a future that's already started. After looking at extensive research, these are the 4 skills that will matter most in the AI era. 1. AI literacy, knowing how to use AI tools effectively and responsibly. 2. Critical thinking and problem solving. AI gives answers. Humans must ask the right questions. 3. Creativity and original thinking. AI can remix existing ideas, but it struggles with true originality. 4. Emotional intelligence and human connection. This is the one area AI will never truly replace. Start teaching your child how to use AI tools with you, not instead of you. Let them experiment with tools like ChatGPT to help with homework, but teach them how to ask better questions and verify the answers. Make it a regular family activity. Sit together and use AI to solve real problems or create something new. This builds both practical skills and healthy habits. Protect and actively develop your child's creativity. Reduce passive screen time and increase time spent drawing, building, storytelling, playing music, and participating in sports. Prioritize real human experiences, team sports, music lessons, volunteering, and face-to-face conversations. Help develop emotional intelligence, one of the most powerful AI-proof skills your child can have. Most traditional schools are still catching up. They often focus on preparing kids to be good employees in a world that increasingly needs adaptable problem solvers. This is why you need to take an active role at home. Teach your child basic financial literacy, how to learn new skills independently, and how to use technology as a powerful tool rather than just entertainment. Many well-meaning parents make these common mistakes, completely forbidding AI, only focusing on coding and tech skills, ignoring emotional and social development, or pushing their child toward traditional safe careers. The real goal is not to turn your child into an AI expert. The goal is to raise AI-fluent humans who stay deeply human. The children who will thrive in the AI era won't be the ones competing against AI. They'll be the ones who know how to work with it while staying deeply human. Start small, start today. Even dedicating a little time each week to intentional preparation can make a huge difference in your child's future. If this video gave you clarity, drop a comment and tell me, what's the one thing you're going to start doing differently with your child? Hit the like button if this helped you, subscribe to Future Proof Careers for more practical parent guides, and I'll see you in the next one.